Hi guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. So this day, I will teach you how to play Lord I Lift Your Name on High. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell button so that you may be updated in our future uploads. So the chords that we will use in this song are G, C add 9, and D suspended. So again, G, C add 9, and then D suspended. For our strumming pattern, or the strumming pattern that we will use is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. For our intro, we will use G and C add 9. So we will play it 2 times. We'll play 2 times the G chord and the C add 9 chord. So for our verse, after our verse, we will proceed to our chorus. So, in our chorus,